causes is different.
Na ve mwe ala shoke dia kwa toba we go ba kila bandu yani kumangali kwenu yombe
very rare. Yes, without specific no talk to me and daktari ati ambao kwa bandu bamwe akadibala bangi yeah wamba kwino nina madabu they talk to me the examination that ebuka na kurusia bunu the first thing we do as a doctor nundu wamino kwa numa na exactly what it is na tiambia kwa ome
tambe yuko kwa
mundu awaita kuna kwenda kwa ome na kana wakwata ndugu kwa na wo izo to appendix yeah
ela mwezi wake tu
yes mwezi wa tulu ya usikara kana mwezi na kule kana ngando tena mingi muno mundu awaita kama mwezi kuno no kisa ya
nino kwa ome
pa yandi
kwa toto ya wapi nia
pena wo mono ni appendicitis
ni ona mundu akamera hivi niona ke
hivi na sasa na ida ku embwando koloni ne wa ijaja ngali ko me ba yandi with either that's most cases ni appendicitis kana mwili wa kituni mwili wa kinukia some bela beta acute appendicitis na chronic appendicitis na ilaka mwili ukaenda na thina bene tukunenga ndawa lakini muno kamwili wa kitakuma muno wana ando ingi muno medwana kamwezi ukeza kana thina no lazima kauma kita appendectomy kana kumya the appendix
akaethana thina
kaethana the kumya appendix is normally very easy ni talk to me kamwezi kaukeza kana thina ko kakapothuka na kana lisima pia in the abdomen kana thini wa peritoneum na it becomes medical emergency ni kwa jambo no longer na neni ibutokere nundu wa typhoid
yes
na yo ibuka kamwezi kauka nindi beduka kuona kamina kubothoka becomes a major problem na hicho kimi andwa ingela on them mena acute appendicitis kana kuwa kwa ombe kwa tapena wo nusio kasiwa nikana kamwezi kala monika nikabothoka na andwa ingi mo hospitali mo kakabothoka ruptured appendicitis na always is emergency no lazima kaumwe wona mwezi wa mina kupodwa kana kurupture kana appendicitis amina kurupture the only thing is to remove that is very common yeah ni dona ndo ingi
kwani mundu ewa
wo mwingi muno ukazeda wa
utewa kawaida
ona ozeda ona ndokwata because it's so painful
kila kitu maaka mwezi kaukaja ni chao
mundu ti infection ni infection na matuko maingi
infection ya
mwezi kama nundu matuko maingi ila montela wala leu na nundu ka kitulu pele wenda kwa kwamba bubu nundu tika nini mona na wali kabubu uyambe kudhabu na wekala muno kaibothoka and that's acute appendicitis which is very common in fact is quite common and this is we see so many people with acute appendicitis better to meta acute and chronic because kena wo ati mwingi muno edukunenga ndawa muno IV drugs na wibo lakini ona wawe kala muno after 1 year or 2 years because okaenge na no lazima kete kuma kete final analysis school is very important nini zipia ndo ngima tenda operation but appendicitis is always be operated and be removed no that mina kuma it becomes easy and disease goes for good
fununu newa ndisikana nesia gwana doctor kana daktari sia kutrika na kamwezi kuni katonda kwa ali anu nikali kama pia
yeah inenge
ni mo atuma kali
that's correct yeah lakini not much no level pitila ndini wa media length
kumanisha of course kila mundu
na
no tonde kwenda na dinos
yeah anybody not everybody has the problem lakini vya mwema umoka kwa nimeza na dinas more than the rest of
niki amwi kathuki ya muno na nangi kayathukia
we don't know why no ndumana nikutha weapon bamunda mundu mwe wande tema longe I lowa we don't know that na mume ndo kamunkamwe lakini mwe wande longe
no na ni mwa
inyo ndekana andweke mana typhoid na maina de now ngai wada typhoid that ma bino mono
na mwenyoke
kemo it happens na ni talk to me disease we don't know kwa sani kidoka yes no can't nondo nokuzeda mwe yale umwe na mundu mwe na kusida mundu mwe aiwa no longe ailewa
okay
tuiza kwa nake that happens no ndo mando tu mananike and remember an acute appendicitis not my an acute appendicitis but it's a common disease which anybody can have yes
wa na yuko ito kwako
kuitwa kwako pe
yuko yukutilwa
nikutilwa pe is operation that's very important lakini ndio tunengana antibiotics maybe IV mostly tunenga IV antibiotics whenever dawa cha unyana kanywa si wasenesa ilanzio ni wanengwa IV antibiotics wamina kunewa IV antibiotics
ya mwiki
banizo it becomes okay na apenda maitawana na iboa the operation is not a must unamnota tataramo stritona and again almost every week or every two weeks we got somebody with the acute appendicitis now most of them we normally give them IV antibiotics na malipo na maiboa lakini wanywa dawa cha unywa ukaenda ukanusa kabodhea ukalanga kasoka ingi na kana usene ni kabwavyo give IV drugs and some becomes normal for good
okay
yes
yuti tunamina kwa ni witu
tutambia kwa kome
yuti lower abdominal
kana ebu there
yeah tuoke yunga lekwengi
koko kwaka
okay wapune kwete
koko kwaka pean muno ala medwana dina koko kwaka medwana amiba ya koko kwaka ya bujina bo aina kiomati yuma kwese kwese umeke wo mwingi muno na saingi uketa usidanu ndo dicho na wadicho paicho kiuka and that's a typical of amoeba na saingi with the cho kina ndakame is very common especially now amoeba is very common now until November it will be common nundu akiu lakini nundu akiu na nundu kiu muno alatu nuzaki uchando boy no chachanda boy cha slanga nundu zaidi ya idozi unyabo na kiucho sini na kikocha dibu na amoeba dibu becomes quite common now it be very common lakini ila nyingi yuka in the month of November nundu kikokela kidwa kimudangane kidamba wakikata wako sini ajabra usine wadunyo kiwe become is normally quite serious amoeba is acute problem na wa mino kwa ni amoeba tutoneka la musikinuke asamuno no it's very painful na wedwa kutwa mala maingi muno kila mwana kutwa baba 5 times na wedwa cho makina ntakame and that's actually the first site is amoeba na wakata ngaliko kwa aka whether they are now it is pena woman na kwa still that's where the colon is na hiyo kitimi androinge ilamba mwandala maenda acho chomo with wa kwa ngalipozu wa pena pepa imbu na pena wo ukisema kwa wa kitu kimbu kitu kwa sausage ukisema that is mainly andalama dwana add to nundo wa kwa leo ula refined ambapo ni matendo ya kingi still on the left side there we cancer of the colon that's where the colon is in the right side that's where the intestine are na muno in the right side we have got cancer on that side cancer of the colon is on the left side na tukumi mundo ila we na cancer of the left side muno edwa ado the chonesa za on the ikuni kurani na dicho ni
gas
na gas we see ila we na gas with a yamba yeah that's gas
because you're being yeah we are not
yes na it is not controlled it's not controlled na lazima kwamba muno ni amoeba ila because amoeba brings the gas but when it is cancer it is silent completely Nokista bete wa ibudi urania na iburania mana nundu leu na choki kitona kupila in the colon and there's always a swelling in that side and to me when that it comes it's always good to be checked now nikana we say they need to check that side the abu first take x-ray tukalila kana embwane pe bitumu nikiba na kende ara nembwane cho kana kitafiko impaction that can cause that problem na kila kingine colonoscopy take ya mopera tukatisia ende meethi na colon ilia because that's where you find that most of the cancers of the colon and the cancer of the colon now is very common now nowadays, and it's more common. We are seeing it more common in women and in cancer of the colon. Na cancer of the colon they wako wingi matukano nundu. We are eating refined food, and more so we are eating red meat, nama, nama chambui na changombe na chana is ila red. Na kula chips, na kula chapati kana madasi.
Ila waweta ndakitali nundu kwa ila waweta na mani kwa chetu wa tina ingi nundu ingi maime na mani kuna mani red meat ni ndugu kana.
Red meat is not good at all.
Why?
Red meat nundu is risk factor of cancers and more so cancer of the colon. And it could be very common nowadays because nundu itu ya nama muno. Likana tena taisa nama wando no kana embape kati. Wasiku kana wasiku taisa kuku muno. Na marakini matukwa yu tiwambu na taisa na embwane kwa diwenzo ndono kana no weye kabi kana wandia yuma tukwate za klamba na they are ready is it tene taisa na mana at least itu matamoyo wa nana na wanawake hata vika school hata ya nini lazima ukamande kabi ukaza kwa nota. It was very difficult kwa namba is not easy lakini nowadays you don't need that with dhika soko kanini kwacha
with the butcher
with ya ngombe lima with ya batakin
and
my jazz so that's every day. Talk to me eating red meat is risk factor for cancer of the colon apart from the rest of the cancers. Talk to me becoming very common mono tera wa mina kwa meat na wala chips na wala chapati
right
that's is so tirabu cha kulana si kala ipu kunukia sama nama chips na chapati yes si kala ipu muno. Now yes, that's where the problem is. That is joking me about. That's the joke to me. In the left side, kuma miaka 20. Cancer of the colon nowadays is common, especially for the ladies. They common the ladies because after they finish the colon, they want to just colon chips, na chapati, na cake, na bread. Yes.
Ila wamina kwa ziobo wandama. Pema mokie kufikana kana nama nisiki ya chemicals. Nika naweze kwithia nisia kala sio fresh yo. Ningirira chuma keima. Ona thio ndugu ile fresh te thenzi weyo. Kyo kindu kiki ile ata ana muthi wa nama emotion we bayu.
Muthi wa nama emotion mono ta in Kenya nundu Kenyans we are Kenyans nundu mindozi they carry our sulfite is a risk factor for the cancers. Na joke to me cancer, in fact cancer of the colon is so common in Kenya, rising very high, especially kwa mono kwa siana ila nini na kwa ndwala nini 25 years 30 years 32 years mena cancer of the colon, and that cancer comes because nundu wa ula nama kununkia sa mono na kila binda upea nama because nama is a risk factor of the cancer. Na no longelwa kila mekia jilwa na maisu is even worse. Na joke to me we had been nitone cancer sipo kwa wingi mono ndeni wa Kenya. Now there are many factors. Now one of the factors is actual red meat, refined food, just that. Refined food will be better off. Yeah.
To the on the safe side.
They will take
out Dr. Mtuma no binda yeti la kwa uate ne tela kwa itheka bese kwithi anu nime kwa mama kaketha makunia mambemba makaiya o you know last month so kwa no kwa to mutuzu refined tuzu modie
ola musunge
musunge ila no waje bati ila no wangima nundu ando o yuma ina mbemba matona kwa sia kanitwa ngathie tutu
tutu is the best
ina mutu mbemba yekwo tuikata
when that's why cancer is becoming very common na tutesindi tu mesia nundu the condition agreed to present the cancer condition nundu we say there yuta kwa mundu na wisio na we na gas fight on kana amanda maka na kuse there yukuwa isio na kwa ngima kana kwa chapati is cheaper and faster. That's the fast food. Na joke with cancer becomes very common. It's very important we say then that's okay the what we ila is that for most of the days, of course not every day. Ndomani itutu malenge mongu mwe na mubia. Yes, that's the right way to go. If you see now, of course it's a real factor It's a real risk factor. No, in Kenya we have seen the rise of these diseases. And ila neka, my research in Cambridge, I used to tell people that cancer will be common in Kenya. I used to say that like that. No, when I looked ilana Lilian in the Romeko, I knew it would be a problem. Now the problem is there. Now the issue is how do we handle to take ata igaratit ando tene I cancer number itana mabinia. Lakini ando inge moka cancer the mabineta mono all the time. Yes, that's what it is. Now, with that,